Alright guys, Dodge Charger right here, '07 to 2012. I've been working on the front, driver's side, and the back on this faulty ABS right here, that light. So the wire from the driver's side all the way to the back is a good wire. So this side is good. Let's move on all the way to the front. I'm gonna test this side all the way to the front and find out where the break of that wires are. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you my setup right here. I rig all my jumper harness. So the black wire turned to red, and then red to the multimeter, and then the black turned to blue, and then we're gonna test the wire right here. Just right across the rad support behind the grill. We're gonna test this wire from here all the way to the back on the driver's side, see if that wire is good. This is the wire right here. The good thing about this is they twist the two wire together. Those are the two wire that I need to test, and it's easy for us to find it. Green with blue stripe. There we go. That beep, that's good. That's one wire test. And then the next wire will be the green with a black stripe. Let's move this thing down. Some of you guys probably thinking or saying, you can't poke wire like that, it's gonna get corrosion. But this is inside the vehicle. The outside the vehicle, I just put a silicone right after when I'm done. I'm gonna put a silicone in this thing, one of those gasket maker silicone. Just put a dab on it, it will dry up, it will harden, there's no moisture is coming in. All right, here we go. Green with black stripe. Let's go test that wire. Back on the front here again. All right, I can see it right there. It's poking. It's gonna get a little bit of a pinch, and let's see if this thing's have a good connection. There we go. Green with black stripe. Perfect. Good wire from the rad support on the front going to the back on the cowling right here underneath the dash driver's side. All right, so let's move on. So from here, next test from here all the way right there. Okay, let's test that out. All right, so first we're just gonna have to take out this big fat connector right here. We're gonna disconnect. So just pinch this side right here. There's little tabs that you need to pinch. When you pinch it out, pull it up, it will rock it, and then this whole thing will just come out like this. Just wiggle it up and down, and there you go. All right, so let's find those two wires, and they're right here. Perfect. There's two wire right there. This one is a green with blue stripe, and then the other one, this one, is green with black stripe. So those two wire we're gonna test. Let's go with the green with blue wire first. We're gonna put red leads right there, and then we'll follow the path, and then the black leads right here. All right, there we go. The black leads on that side end of the harness, and then the red leads with blue wire on this side of the harness. So let's start with this side here first. We're gonna tap in our T-pin to this harness right here, the big fat connector. Let's go with the green with blue stripe, just like that. And then the red leads will tap into the green with the blue stripe on this side. There we go. So that wire is good. So let's move our leads to the other wire, and that will be the blue with black stripe right there, and then the red leads, blue with black stripe on this side. Blue with black stripe. Okay, I'm in there. Nothing. No beep. All right, so there's a break. The green with black stripe, there's a break from here. Go behind the headlight, the wire behind the shock tower right there, there's a break. Now we know where's the break. So from all the way to the back of the vehicle, come up to the front right here, it's good. But from here going to the big fat connector, going to the brake control module, there's a split, there's a break on that wire. So the problem here, I'll show you. I was moving around with this harness, And I can see already that there's a slit, a cut. And you can see right there. Right here, guys, look at this. That's the green with black stripe. This one is the green with the blue stripe. Wow. Let's go zoom in there. There, look at that cut right there. It was burnt, it was rubbing. Yeah, that's the cut. So we're gonna have to fix this up. Basically, it was sitting like this. It was installed like this, right? And a cut is probably rubbing from this hose right here. Right, this hose, it was rubbing that wire on that hose. So that's why there's a cut. We're gonna have to open this up and solder this two wire together. It's better to solder this two, not just one. Okay, there we go. That's how you diagnose this ABS harness, speed sensor harness. Wow, all the way to the front is the brake. That is crazy. So I'm just gonna put this camera on the side, gonna fix that up here, and then we'll do the final test. We'll put the scan tool, and we'll connect the wire together, the harness right here, those harness sensors, and then we'll spin the wheel, and let's see if we got output, see if we got some readings. This one is okay. I'm just concerned about this side. All right, guys, so I soldered this side already, and then I'm gonna do this side now. I don't have the same color of the wire, but this is all I got in my garage, so it's still good. It's still gonna work. So here we go. All right, check that out. We're gonna cool that thing down, and then we're gonna put electrical tape after. We're just gonna wrap that thing around. The other wire I mentioned earlier, we should do this one, but I think the other one is good right here. Is it just exposed that wire, but we're gonna just tape that thing down as well, and then it should be good. There's no break on that copper wire. It's just that the insulator is the only one that it broken, but the wire itself is good. So this is good. We're just gonna tape that down, and same thing with this wire right here. All right, guys, there we go. I got the wire soldered in together with the electrical tape. Okay, there we go. It's not bad. Better than nothing. And then here's the blue wire here. We're gonna test it out. This blue wire with T-pin, and the T-pin is connected to the existing green with black stripe. Okay, so we're gonna make a loop. So we're gonna extend this wire. You can see all the way right here, turn to blue, from blue, and then turn to black, and then black turn to red. Red leads going to the back, from red leads to the multimeter, and then here's the other side of the leads. All right, we're gonna test it out. So that broken wire is this green with black stripe. That's the one right here. That will be the top, and then we're gonna probe this just on the edge right here, and listen. There we go. Perfect. A full round circuit. So the existing wire is good now, from all the way to the back of the vehicle, going to the ABS module underneath the hood, connected. So let's take out this extension wire, clean it up, and then we'll run our scanner, and we'll do that test on the tire, and let's see if we got some input on that sensors. Let's clean up, connect everything back together. We're just gonna clean this wire up later. We're just gonna run everything and test it out. So this side is good. Well, let's wake them up. We got the ABS light still. Let's go to the back. We got our auto scanner. We'll connect this two connector together. Same thing on this side. Put the connector together. All right, we're gonna spin the wheel, and then let's find out here. And there we go, guys. Look at those. Look at those inputs. Those numbers. Holy cow. It's a fix, guys. Finally. Spinning the tire on this side. We got output coming in, going to the scanner. And then same thing on the right. we get the output. So that's a fix. Let's see if we can delete the code. I think we are gonna have to drive this thing. Let's see. All right, good. Code's delete. Let's go to the driver's side here. Yeah, it's gone, guys. Look at that. It's gone. Wow, that's awesome. Oh yeah, baby. No light, no ABS lights, guys. It's gone. Yeah, we're gonna have to go for a drive to get a reading of this speed sensor right here. But you know, spinning the tire is good enough. There you go. That's how you fix the problem on the ABS circuit. I did change the sensor from the beginning because I'm like 80% that is the sensor, because when I read online and watched some videos, a lot of videos of how to replace sensors, and those are easy to do that. A lot of people can do that, replace the sensor, but diagnose is the hard part. And some people, it's hard for them to find a problem. So there you go, guys. That's a thumbs up right there. If you like this video, give me a like. See you guys again in our next one.